This is a very difficult Stefka-Flop puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latussek from Germany and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Stefka-Flop puzzle has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame, and it will be quite tricky. If you like the Stefka-Flop puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So how to solve the Stefka-Flop puzzle? First of all, you have to take a closer look at the frame and see that the opening isn't as big as it looks. You think that it is 3 by 2 voxels, but actually it is 3. You can see, you can easily put a 3 voxel piece inside, but it is not 2 voxel wide. When you put a piece here, you will see that it is probably like 1.8 voxel wide. So you can't fit such piece. You have to rotate it in order to fit inside. And it is already a hint there will be a lot of rotations in this puzzle. And sometimes, even if you try to assemble the shape that goes outside the frame, it might not even help. So how the puzzle will look assembled inside the frame? You put these parts like that, then you add one more piece here on top. This piece goes here, this one goes here, and these two, it actually doesn't matter. You can put them in 2 different ways. That is the cube inside the frame, but it will be very difficult to put it inside. You remove these 2 pieces first, then this one, and then to put these parts, there will be a lot of tricky rotations. So we will start with these 2 parts, this one and this one. You put them together, you put them like this inside the frame, drop them down. Now you have to rotate them inside the frame like that. The next step is to put this large 3 by 1 piece and drop it down. Now you have to grab this piece, push it up like that, and now you have to rotate it like that and put it right here in this right corner. So the next piece will be this one, but this one is the most difficult since it is supposed to be inside the box like that, but there is no way you can fit it this way. So what you have to do is to put it like so. Then you do quite a tricky rotation, and it will be very tricky since you have to rotate it this direction. Usually when you solve such puzzles, you do a rotation that kind of goes this way. But here you have to do it opposite way like that. And then you have to rotate it one more time in order to put it in the correct position like that. And now we have only 3 parts left. These are the easiest parts to put inside. You put this one and push it inside. Then you put these 2 parts and the puzzle is solved. And that was the solution of the Stefka-Flop puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latussek and made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca.